Again, welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily delete your drafts from your Instagram reel. But before we start with our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you will have to make sure that you have updated and downloaded your Instagram app and you're logged in with the correct ID where you would like to remove your drafts. So what you will do is you will simply tap on this profile icon on below right corner, tap on it, and simply you will see this particular profile interface will open. Then you will see this little a play icon between. Simply tap on that. As you can see, I have a drafts file over there, so you'll simply tap on this option called drafts, and here you can see I have two drafts over there. So what you will do is simply tap on this select option above right corner, tap on it, and here you can see you can now select the drafts as you would like to. Simply select the one that you would like to remove or delete, and then you can see this discard option below. Simply tap on it and again reconfirm. As you can see, the first that we selected, the draft video, is now removed. And yeah, that's how you can delete your drafts from your Instagram reel. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.